Hello everyone, myself Ugle Vikas Dattatre, B.Pharm second year student from Delonic Society's Baramati College of Pharmacy, Barhanpur, Baramati. In this session, I am going to discuss about the topic size reduction, in that subtopic roller mill, under the guidance of Professor Sri Krishna Bhavkar sir. Size reduction. Now we will see what exactly the size reduction is. Size reduction is the conversion of larger particles into the smaller particles with the application of some external force is called as size reduction. The simple example of size reduction is crushing of seeds, grains and the sugar. Here are the some points which I am going to cover in this session. Principle, figure, construction, working, advantages and disadvantages of roller mill. First of all, we will see the principle of roller mill. The material is crushed or compressed by application of stress. The stress is applied by rotator wheels or rollers. The principle of roller mill says that if we take any material and apply some external force to it, its size gets reduced. In the roller mill, the crushing or the size reduction of material is done with the help of rollers. The rollers apply pressure or shearing force to the material and the size of material is gets reduced. The roller mill works under the principle of shear and compression. This shearing force and the compression is applied by the rollers on the material, due to which the size of particle gets reduced. Now we will see the diagram of roller mill. In this diagram we see hopper, magnet, agitator, control gate, rollers and the receiver. The hopper. From hopper we fed the material. The material fed from hopper comes toward the magnet, and magnet is useful for the separation of metallic things or the particles come into the material. The agitator gives the steering action to the material, and the control gate is useful for specific direction to the material. The rollers are useful for crushing or the reduction of size of material, and the reduced size of particle are collected into the receiver. Now we will see the construction of roller mill. The construction of roller mill is very easy to understand. The roller mill consists of hopper, two cylindrical rollers, magnet and the receiver. The rollers of roller mill are made up of stone or metal. The rollers are mounted horizontally on each other. The diameter of rollers ranges from the millimeters up to meters. One roller of one roller of roller mill is driven directly using the motor, while second one runs freely. One roller of roller mill is freely moving and another one is directed with the help of motor. The gap between the rollers can be controlled to obtain the desired size of particle. We can control the gap between two rollers, due to which we can get the desired size of particles. Now we will see the control system of roller mill. The control system of roller mill consists of two processes. First one data collection and second one is data processing. Data collection is the process parameter or equipment used for measuring temperature, pressure and flow of rate of roller mill as signal quantity. The data processing carries out data. Now we will see the working of roller mill. The working of roller mill is very easy to understand. The rollers are allowed to rotate. The material is fed from the hopper into the gap between the two rollers. The material is crushed while passed through the rollers under high pressure. The one roller of roller mill is freely moving and the other of one roller is driven with the help of motor, and the material is fed simultaneously through the hopper to the gap between rollers. The crushing and grinding of material in the roller mill occurs due to the pressure and shear forces generated by the two rollers. The gap between the rollers can be adjusted so that we can get the particles of desired size. The rotating rollers crushes the material and the crushed materials are collected into the receiver as the final product. For the better understanding of working of roller mill, I will show one video.
The two parallel rolls rotate towards one another at high speed, around 400 to 3000 rpm. Material is gravity fed between the parallel rolls as it enters the nip of the rollers. It experiences both crushing and shearing forces that grind the particle into smaller pieces. Roll surfaces can be either corrugated or smooth on the surface, depending on the need, and typically a speed differential between the roll ranging from 1:1 to 3:1 is necessary. Due to the low impact grinding nature of the roller mill, it is typically best suited for material that break apart under pressure, otherwise known as friable materials. It finds its application in the size reduction of sugarcane, wheat, and chocolate refining.
Now I will explain the working of roller mill from this diagram. First of all, these rollers are allowed to rotate. Then the material is fed from this hopper into the gap between these rollers. The material is crushed under the high pressure. This material is crushed under high pressure by these rollers. Then the final product is collected into the receiver. Now we will see the uses of roller mill. Roller mill is used in the preparation of ointment, paste, creams and the other semi-solid materials. Roller mill is also used for crushing seeds prior to extraction. Now we will see the advantages of roller mill. The roller mill produces more uniform, fine oversized particles when it comes to the product quality. The roller mill gives good quality of products. Second one, the roller mill generates less heat, then less moisture loss. Fourth one, low machine's noise level as it does not causes noise pollution. And the fifth and most important advantage is energy saving. Now we will see the disadvantages of roller mill. The roller mill is not that much effective. Additional operator input are required. Rolls need to adjusted to suit grind required. Now this is the example of roller mill, the handle or hander mill. The handle mill is most famous example of roller mill. The handle mill is available in each and every house of Maharashtra. The handle mill is useful for crushing the grains or the seeds. Now this is the reference from which I have prepared this topic. Thank you so much.